This is the Hello World Podcast. How did you adapt, and what is this new normal that we now have in sales and selling?
In fact, there's a couple of things in this. I mean, the first one is, and I have to give her credit, is my wife. I have a Filipino wife who runs her own business, is extremely successful, and in typical Filipino female fashion, is amazingly tough and resilient. And she was a great mentor and a great encourager, and I've also been a massive believer in grit. I didn't practice it as much as I should have, but I'm a big believer in that. And I think it was you only have two choices: you lay down and give up, and there's no upside to that, or you stand up and say, okay, I'm going to do something about it. And the first thing was to go out there and get known. And let people know that you exist, and LinkedIn and a number of people on LinkedIn who became mentors helped tremendously, and people who I saw on LinkedIn who were great examples, who were doing the same thing, and we were able to share and learn and from each other. But it was hard. I mean, I'd like to say that it was easy, but it was very, very tough doing it. Grit and my wife, I think, are the answers to your question.
Hi, this is Louis Banta, CEO and Chief Consultant of LJMB, or Learning Just Made Better. Thanks for watching my video. To get more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this to others.